Hi everyone, I'm Maricho Petrosky. All of our recipes are on our website, ad-free at happyfeetsandpaws.com. And today we are going to make mango ice cream. To start with, let's puree 1 large mango cube.
Put the cubed mango in a blender. Puree until soft and liquefied. Then transfer into a bowl and set aside. Slice 3 large ripe mangoes just like so. Slice the meat into cubes and use a paring knife to remove them. Place the cubed mangoes into a medium-sized bowl, then set aside for later. In a hand or stand mixer bowl, pour 16 fluid ounces of heavy whipping cream. Fitted with a wire whip attachment, beat at speed 2 and slowly increase to 4 until a stiff peak forms. Clear your counter and place the bowl with the whipped cream. Pour 1 cup of condensed milk. Then mix to well incorporate. Next, pour the pureed mango and mix well to combine. Then add the cubed mangoes, 1.5 ounces of cubed cheddar cheese, half of a quarter cup of pistachio, half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix them until well incorporated. Then pour a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix again until well blended. Let's pour half of the mixture into a large bowl of any shape of your choosing. Tap and shake it to even out the top. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Then pour the rest of the mixture. Tap and shake again to flatten out the top. Because I love pistachios, I put a quarter cup. Feel free to use less or leave them out completely. Cover and press the top with a saran wrap to prevent ice from forming on the surface. Put the lid on and pop it in the freezer for 6 hours or overnight. The next day, you know what happens next. Time for taste test. Remove the plastic and ta-da! Let the ice cream sit for 3 to 5 minutes before scooping. There you have it, my Filipino mango ice cream. Serve for dessert or snack any time of the day. Enjoy!